artists get hype and then sink like quicksand. Moving strong, CW9, deal with any friction. Shooters them I aim for you, head dog. Full of people.
Oh, Nation, we're going to say about AJ back in the building with another episode. What do I say? We're about to kick off the Vendetta camp outside. Walk the walk, talk the talk. Nation, Alkaline just fire a barrage of shot over upon the Gaza, upon the Crux. Even Bunty get shot to a Movado. You see me I say? But before we get into anything, don't forget to like and share and subscribe to the video. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Watch the video. Now, Nation, we can see where Alkaline release a track, Keyman. You see me I say aimed at a couple artists in a dancehall.
Keyman, artists get hype and then sink like quicksand. Moving strong, CW9, deal with any friction. Shooters them I aim for you, head dog. Full of paper, yeah.
Nation, as the song start, Alkaline and drop be a shot. And you can see upon the Crux him fire first couple of shots where you must say artists get a hype and sing quick like quicksand. You might talk about Masicka when Vybz Kartel just come out of jail. You see me I say Masicka was a part of the algorithm where I trend all over the place. I be a hits after hits said way. You see me I say Masicka did that doing thing. Until Masicka really go a reggae songfest and go do what him do. And now Masicka think kinda numbers and everything kind of shrink and everything. So right this in our song Alkaline and quick fire shots at Masicka right there. So literally you see me I say so we are going to the song more.
No watch the internet to be an idiot them run with bro. My pocket full of garbage spend that fast. Me and them not in a beef much less same class. When me see some of them a bravo me laugh. All day we flash. Walk the walk, talk the talk.
Nation, I'm gonna make Masicka know say him and Masicka no in a same league, much less same class. This is why the people them talk about say yo Masicka and Alkaline for work at them in the same league. You see me I say so Alkaline come a clear here so him and Masicka in the same league, much less same class. You see me and you know a lot of people that say Alkaline and no youth I want woman they come out and attack a lot of things say yo Alkaline to get a youth get some girl. You see me I say Alkaline and a girl and them thing this. So Alkaline make it clear say my girl in chuck I want to toughest shot them wherever made. You see me I say
that one up can't fuck around why don't start nothing don't hire down me try for warm me run a time tire army knees up off for the weed it never did that call me use my name to get a viral it kinda call me.
Nation, in the third part I sang this part I sang either aim at Bounty Killer when him up on DJ Academic interview or the part I sang aim at Movado when Movado send out big guns. You see me I say mention say them group up and try for war him. This is when Masicka, Movado, Vybz Kartel and DJ Khaled then the link up. You see me I say so this can be where Alkaline talk about when Movado link up with all of them and Bounty Killer.
No take killing, 1,000 gal in a rotation. As a girl in, one shot in her chest. DOA, shop for buy more place. No HOA.
Nation, we can see that verse you're wearing fire shot at Vybz Kartel about buying house na HOA. You see me I say. And the next verse him aim again at Masicka. Can take a lot of shot at Masicka in that track. You see me I say him must say when you get up and give a praise it might fade away. Which I talk about when Masicka come out a big up Vybz Kartel even after the whole controversy with Masicka and Vybz Kartel.
More them 100 but still kill for them. Sound look like worrying about them innocent. You're a week out if every day you get up your strength. Just turn up now wait pan fall out. What the difference?
Yo Nation, no tell me what you think about the Alkaline track or who we aim at and tell me if I worry about to start cause to me think Alkaline did all of this because him want get the everything straight, him ready for war ready. As me I say my throat all I seek it them way and think people have him where them can diss him in a track like I like some Masicka and them people there. So this is a good technique with Alkaline use cause him know people say these things about him. As me as I say my clear the ear. And also a bad technique at the same time because it's nothing good he's talking about. And also him can I use this just to get back in an algorithm for people talk about him like what we're doing about the track. You see me cause as I look at the track is doing pretty good numbers, better than double the last track that he dropped Priority. You know what I mean? And Priority was no track and I said that before. So that's why I didn't even review it in a sense away. But you know tell me what to think about that in a comment box. Because we can see where Nico Fire make a video on his social saying that yo Alkaline he need to pack up his stuff and leave dancehall cause him see where Alkaline come back with the body wash business and them thing there. So I want to tell me what to think about this. Let's take a listen.
So Alkaline you just dropped the song when you're Keyman, but may I tell you something? That song didn't bad. You just throw some shade and Vybz Kartel, may I tell you something? Tell the youth go find a hit song. You know so what I try though. He want to try to draw the artist to get a clash with Hot back. We want you to drop a song at Hot back. Yeah, you say you're a keyman. No, you're a body wash keyman. You think the line they pass me? Eh? I remember say, me did tell you if you retire. That's why you make the line of the song and say you hear the idiot them attack. I remember say, me say you're a gelding and call it gelda line. And you put it in a song back and a style thing. But it was a good effort still. Keyman, people don't go listen to Alkaline new song when they Keyman. Brother, the song warm. I don't fight the thing, the song warm, but the song not hot. Body what you deal with. And Vybz Kartel, don't answer him. It's a strength him a look. Cause him style you know. He call it elder. Him style you. And him style killer too. When you don't pay him no mind, make him struggle and drown. A matter of fact, Jibra, me I send me artist for him. Jibra, we are going to ease off a masicka little. We are going to touch. We are going to touch off over vendetta side. We are going to fire and run over the pan him, man. Brother, you're a batty boy, Alkaline. Batty boy style that. You're still in the brata thing. You're still in the batty wash thing. Lift up. Lift up. All I fans them, your fans them will support that. Them are fish. On our Jaden. Lift up.
Nation, sometimes when I think about what Nico Fire saying, as Nico Fire saying, we can understand we must say still, Alkaline never have used that in him song, you see me, and him only make the genre look away when him use that because him feel like say that I go put him in an algorithm because that I make him get a hype back if he trend in a dancehall. Sometimes when I think about that, if that's the truth, as when Nico Fire say. But we can say where Madsus came out and talk about Alkaline song that they just released.
Yo, that boy, hey man. Bro, me never want to talk about them something here yet, brother. Me never want to talk about them topic here yet, bro, I swear. But believe me, the move the way make, it was very hard. Him articulate that move is a wicked move. The move the way him bust for the end of that song there. You say me a cokehead, alright, me a cokehead. Cokehead. I does that, he is truly one. He is truly, and the man know that. So the man just make on know so I want to 100 girl line up for the girl din. The man just make on know, so what else you go use now? What I go use now? I accept it. I accept it, say me I want. What I go use now is a wicked movie make, Regine. I tell you enough time, I tell people, because I grow out of them state of mind a long time. Remember the time them when, as I talk with you upon the live, you couldn't play a mavado around me. I don't listen to them song, I don't listen no other song if I no cartel song. If you not say what the same thing with cartel I deal with it. Yo, nah, I not listen to it. I see if you go against cartel them time, but I tell you, I don't want to hear your song. So me, at that point, you know, I know I can listen what you say, if you know I say, nah, I be a fucker, you say. You see me, even that way him come back with, me I tell you, no, him articulate to him I do, him know what him I do. Look on the movie where him boss. Let me show you what him do. Now I show you something when you not see. In at the time when him did just a boss, and him bust that style, and him sing about that style, what you see happen? Remember all 3-4 year people are talk about him because of that, you know? No brata, none of them something there. Ray. Right now, where him see a go on? Where him see a go on right now? Cartel effect. The net locked down. Every corner you turn, the algorithm.
Now, Nation, we can understand what Matsusa say about Alkaline saying and doing that because he want to get back in an algorithm because nothing now going for him from the other day and him sang them now trend, which is true. As I said earlier, it can be a case where Alkaline use that, or it can be a case when he use to just put out everything out there because he's ready for war. Nation, we are going to see if Masicka are going to release a track and answer Alkaline, and if Masicka really answer Alkaline, then we know say dancehall about to be crazy now. You see me I say? So we can see where some Vendetta fan and some Gaza fan attack on a popular social media platform, Rickstorm TV.
It's through a masicka lifeline. Where they can use Alka when him say them things there. What Alka they do, a war, he might try look a war, But he might try be like Eminem when call out things about him so you can't use it against him. Like in a 8 Mile. So right now we must say, yeah man, him a gelding. So if you call him a gelding, you're not getting no forward. And him come back and own up brata. So if you style him about the brata, you not get a forward.
So where you say German? So where you say? Cause that one.
So him try kill the punchline them.
Nation, as me say earlier, war time is here. Me feel like Alkaline ready for a war with Masicka. A lot of people are pointing a lot of finger on other artists, but me personally feel like say this track aim at Masicka in so many different ways. You see me I say it might drop a little words to supply other artists, but this track directly at Masicka. We're gonna hear a track, a reply from Masicka soon. Me can bet on that. Nation, we can see where Irish and Chin came out stating that Shensia doesn't get the recognition she deserves, that Jamaica people doesn't support Shensia anymore since she crossed over internationally, just like they did to Sean Paul and Shaggy. Let's take a listen.
Less because she's more of an international artist representing dancehall outside of the space, so she'd be valued less. Me say wanna go around Sean Paul, right, with the accolades, right, that he deserves. We see the dancehall go around Shaggy with his accomplishments, right, and his praises, right. So now Shensia is next up to bat. We tend to highlight the efforts of who we feel worthy of highlighting, right? But the other people who are really putting in work too, there's no title for them. There's no applause for them from the core markets, right? Yes, we should be cheering for Shensia and the doors that she's opening, because she not twang. She not tell people that she's not Jamaican, right? Sean Paul not telling people that he's not Jamaican. Shaggy's not telling people that they're not Jamaican. When they are doing what they are doing, they're representing Jamaica. Right. All Jamaicans should be cheering for them, hands down. It is stupid that we keep separating, hardcore dancehall and crossover dancehall. A dancehall same way. It's dancehall.
On Nation, we can see we're shaking to the max remix by Shensea and Molly and Skillibeng, taking over the whole globe. One of the biggest dancehall song over 10 years. And if you can find a bigger made it for Grammy and even take home Grammy for Shensea and Molly and Skillibeng. And even thinking about Mark for her, she's not even 1 million subscribers on YouTube yet, but this is a good start from a go platinum, and this song is way too calm and soothing for the ears. It's something different, and it's what I'm talking about when it comes to dancehall.
Man, chill out, bad man, chill out, yeah. Your pussy fat inna your shot.
So make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Big up everybody we are watch. Big up everybody we are share it. As me I say, me appreciate all on. Until next time, guys. We out.